दे दीजिए, पर्दाफाश हो आज।
नाविका, मैं जवाब देने ही वाला था, मैं तैयारी करके आता हूं, लेकिन अब्दुल बासित साहब ने जो मेरा टाइम लिया, पर बीच में उन्होंने कुछ कहा, मैं उनसे एक रिस्पेक्टफुली उनसे वही रिटरेट करना चाहता हूं, मैं ध्यान से सुन नहीं पाया। अब्दुल बासित साहब, आपने कहा राजीव गांधी की डेथ कौन से ईयर में हुई थी? अब्दुल जी, कौन से ईयर में हुई थी राजीव गांधी की डेथ? अब्दुल जी, क्या कहा था आपने?
1992 में।
अच्छा,
1992
पहले
में
तो
आरएसएस के लोग लगातार उन्हें 30 साल से गालियां दे रहे हैं। आपने कभी डिबेट करी उसके ऊपर?
आप सुन लीजिए अब्दुल जी, मैंने
आप
आपको टाइम भी
अपना
दिया,
इतिहास थोड़ा सा दुरुस्त कर लीजिए अब्दुल बासित जी। मई 21 1991 और ये तारीख अपने नेता और अपने अलायंस पार्टनर की ये तारीख जो है ना, यहाँ पर याद कर लीजिए अब्दुल बासित जी, आपको याद हो जाएगा। मई 21 1991। सो नाउ just calm down and allow Anand Ranganathan to speak. आप जरा आप लोग हमें कहते हैं ना कि हम डेमोक्रेसी के खिलाफ है, कांग्रेस के खिलाफ है, हमें ये तारीख आपसे बेहतर पता है, तो इसीलिए आप जरा काम डाउन करिए। आनंद रंगनाथन,
बहुत बढ़िया, आपने एजेंडा सेट कर लिया है, वो आप उस बात पर रहिए।
अब्दुल जी प्लीज देखिए, आप पिछले 5 मिनट से मेरा चांस था। नाविका, दिस इज अब्दुल जी देखिए प्लीज, मैं आई बीन वेरी पोलाइट, पिछले 5 मिनट से मेरे को
लोअरिंग योर फेडर अब्दुल बासित, लोअरिंग योर फेडर आनंद रंगनाथन ओनली।
हाँ, मुझे आप जो भी बोतल से पी रहे हैं वो आप पीते रहिए, मुझे बस 2 मिनट दीजिए। नाविका, इफ एवरी टाइम नरेंद्र मोदी गॉट अ रूपी फॉर व्हेन ही वाज अब्यूज्ड, vilified, slandered, called all sorts of names, trust me, he'll be a billionaire by now. The fact of the matter is that what has been said today is reprehensible, and it's so demeaning in a way to every politician worth his or her salt that I find it very difficult to even comment on it. I mean, he's just not restricted himself, Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav, to commenting on Narendra Modi or what he may be like. He's been called Yamraj, धोबी का कुत्ता, he's been called all sorts of names, Hitler, खून की खेती करने वाला, मौत का सौदागर, all sorts of things. But never has, the limit been raised or the bar being lowered to, include his late mother as well as the family and the instances where such kind of, I find it even, cringeworthy to even mention what was said. That's point number 1. Point number 2 is, it is also a fact that Narendra Modi has also said things that were egregious and other people took offense to. But it has never crossed this line. Yes, Sanjay is right about Jersey cow, and that happened in 2004 in an election rally where he was comparing the symbol of Congress, erstwhile symbol of cow and calf, and he said nowadays cows and calf are imported, they are Jersey. So yes, he did make that statement. He did not name Rahul Gandhi or Sonia Gandhi, but the reference was absolutely to them because in that speech, he did mention both of them. So yes, it is true. And later on, he also apologized for it. Will Lalu ever apologize for it? No, he won't. But the fact of the matter is, in politics, it is not that we are going to preach and be patronizing to Narendra Modi to teach him that such abuses are, everyday's business in politics. Of course, he knows that, and he's reciprocated them from time to time. The issue is, what are the election points for India Alliance? That is the issue. Is the India Alliance castigating Narendra Modi on building 120 million toilets? Is it castigating Narendra Modi for making 110 million gas connections, 100 million gas connections, 110 million tap connections? Is Lalu Prasad Yadav castigating Modi for making 430 million mudra loans available? No, he isn't. That is the issue. Is Lalu Prasad Yadav saying that the voter-based vote share of Narendra Modi, for example, in the smallest state, Tripura, has increased from 1% to 40% because the tap water connections have increased from 3% to 56%? No, he isn't. The point is, they don't have an issue. They don't have an issue to get back at Modi. And what they do, lo and behold, they rake up this disgusting array, volley, shall I say, of abuses, but it is a water of a duck's back for Narendra Modi. They should know this. And Lalu Yadav might not know this. For that, he needs to go to a rehab center and check up and find out who Manishankar Iyer is. He will be informed then.